Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical 3D drawing in SolidWorks 2025. We learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File, select New, and select Part and select OK. Now go to right plane and sketch. Now draw the line from origin, vertical line and horizontal line and horizontal and horizontal. Select. Now go to smart dimension. Now this line dimension 100 and this line dimension 19 and this line dimension 44 and this line dimension 38. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Extrude from mid plane. Now give the value here 64. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here, center rectangle. Now go to smart dimension. Now this line dimension 12 and this line distance 7. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now here extrude card through all. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the slot here. Straight slot here draw. Select. Now give the dimension. Smart dimension. These are dimension 9 and this arc and this arc distance 38. Okay, select. Now just move here. Now this arc and this line distance 30. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now here through all. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the line here, horizontal and horizontal line. Select. Now go to smart dimension. Now this line dimension 20. Okay. Now this line dimension 13. Okay. Select. Now I am going to cut this line and this line and this line. Delete. Now draw the this point and this line distance 13 and this point and this line distance 20. Select. Okay. Now draw the center line here. Make center line. Now go to mirror. Select this line about this center line. Okay. Now go to this point and this point connect line and this point connect. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now here extrude card from blind and give the value 13. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now give the circle below. Circle below 6. Okay. This point and this point, this line distance 10. And this point and this line distance 13. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now I am going to below 20. Okay. Now go to right plane and select mirror and select feature to mirror. Now go to here, select extrude card. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now give the circle below 10 and this line and this point distance 19. Okay, select. Now go to this point, control this point, particle. Now go to isometric view. Now go to feature and extrude cut. Now here select through all. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select plain white. Now go to metal appearance and select metal. Now select lead. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.